to play Hollow Knight using a keyboard on PC and how to optimize your setup for smoother, more precise gameplay. So let's get started. Follow the steps till the end so you don't miss any important point. Okay, so in step 1, go to Settings, Controls, review the default key bindings. For move, you can use A or D key or arrow keys. To jump, use Z or space key, or attack, you can use X. For dash, use C key, and focus or spell, you can use A. You can remap any of these keys based on your preferences or hand comfort. In step 2, using a keyboard is absolutely viable, but it does require a bit more precision and practice, and you can start it by mastering pogo jumping. Jump and press the down attack over enemies or spikes to bounce. For dash timing, learn to dash through enemy attacks and hazards with the right rhythm. In the step 3, before handling into harder areas, spend time in beginner zones like Forgotten Crossroads. Get comfortable with jump height, practice chaining dashes and attacks. Improve your reaction time. This is how you can build your confidence and reflexes for later bosses and platforming changes. If you are struggling with certain keys, rebind them. Many players find comfort in switching dash or jump to more reachable keys like shift or alt. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.